Well, guys, it's Tuesday, and we realize it's been a while since we just kind of, stopped what we're doing and said thank you to all you guys. So, here's your Tuesday morning thank you from Pugliese Speed Shop. All right, guys, we're back with another thank you. First, we'll talk about this most obvious one we got right here. Get my Vanna White on, right? You guys all know my brother Joey. He's been in a couple episodes, most recently with his Road King. We did some tech tip stuff. He made these for me. There's another one up at the house. I didn't want to carry them both down because I'm lazy. For those of you that don't know, cornhole board, right? You got the little sort of bean bags at it, right? I suck at it, but maybe now I'll get a little better. He actually gave them to me for my birthday. And it's got to be the most thoughtful gift. It's just, he likes doing woodworking. And then he did little touches, right? Like the whole border here is tan. On the other one, it's black, right? And then the bean bags, right, they tan and black. Those are the club colors for the Combat Vets of America, motorcycle club that I ride with. So, the little things, right? So, Joe, love you, bro. Thank you. And awesome job. Next year, this bag here. You guys know Nick. He's got the 55 Chevy he's building, which we got to do an update on because he's got it off the frame. And rumor has it he just bought a whole full floor for this thing. So we got to get over to the house and check it out. And we will soon, I promise. But he was out in California for like a month, right, for work. Stopped by the old Moon Eyes place, because, that's what you do, right? And picked up a thing of stickers. And it's funny, you guys know, some of the guys right down the board, one of them's Howie Mook. Got a sticker over there. And Megan was asking, Howie, how you get like copyright infringement or something, right? I told her, don't worry about it, it's Howie, he's got it, But yeah, so that's what we got. Let's see what he got us here. Look at this. What the hell have we got? This is huge. Look at that. Pretty awesome. I gotta find somewhere in the shop to hang it up, which I think we'll find a spot. We'll put this over here for right now. Nick, thanks, bro. I appreciate it. And yeah, we're gonna get over there and get some more video of that 55. We're gonna move on to stickers, but before we do, let's give a recap of who we got going on here, right? I already pointed out Howie Mook, right over here. Got a pretty sweet 56 Chevy, part of our Friday night live, every Friday night. From over here in BW corner, right? Got BW's garage. There's a 55 Gasser, sad news. Got the hologram of it. And he just picked up a 70 Chevy. So, check them out, guys. And if after you check them out, Friday nights, 8:30 Eastern time, check out the live. Bunch of car guys talking about cars and whatnot. He's and most of us usually drinking beer, so I mean, there's that too. You don't want to drink alone. Never want to, Up here we got Turlo's Garage. Andy Turlo, big supporter of the channel, hilarious dude. He's got a rally car, he's got some Jeeps he messes with, and just all around nice guy. Here we got Puddin's Fab Shop. Air Force guy, so maybe him and Kevin know each other, I don't know. That dude's creeping up on 150 subs, so awesome job, dude. And he's hilarious. He's messing with Datsuns like all the time now. He started doing some hard body stuff, putting on the old Datsuns, and maybe I can give him parts off of mine, I don't know. Ironhead Garage. He's building the baddest 55 Chevy Gasser I've ever seen. It's awesome. He just fired up. I just watched the video last night. Chris, that thing is sick, dude. Keep doing what you're doing. You got Country Boy Gas Garage. He's got the, I believe it's a 70 Nova. And he's got like a 48 Ford bus that he found out in the forest. Those are two, sticker on each there. My favorite model Nova. And VW just picked one up, so you know, obviously they're talking, right? But if you guys pay attention to YouTube, there's a thing going around. His channel got stolen from him. It was crazy. We did a video on it to get his new channel bumped up. You guys that went over there and subscribed, thank you. That channel started picking up, you know, gaining some traction, and luckily, YouTube recovered his old channel, and he's back, man. Got new content coming out, and being just awesome as ever. So keep it up, Jason, and all you guys that are supporting him. Love you guys. You got Andy's Doghouse. He's up there in Canada. He loves drinking beer and working on cars. What else is there? He's got old Dodge pickup. I think he's put an old Dodge in the shop too. Yeah, he's always, check him out. Solid dude. Iron Horse Garage. They're up there in Idaho, and they actually this went on like a field trip to, I don't know, Detroit or something. I forget exactly. Chicago, somewhere in that area, to help Outlaw Edge and a couple other channels work on his school bus. They like chopped it like 18 inches or something. It's nuts. You gotta check it out. 3 dudes, hilarious. They're Mopar guys, but give them a chance anyway. All right, guys. What else we got? We got Hold Fast gloves. Those are gloves that I did a couple reviews on them. I just wore them today riding. They're still awesome. Awesome veteran-owned company. You guys, if you need gloves, they got hats, they got hoodies, they got t-shirts, they got stickers. Look them up. Just Google it. It comes right up. Solid dudes over there. So that brings us to now. We got some new stickers to add. What we got here? First, we got Wooden Metal Garage. There's a sticker here. What the sticker looks like. Check them out there on YouTube. They are, so he's got a bullnose Ford that he's been working on a little bit. I caught a couple of those videos. Thinks outside the box, and I like it, man. Different ways that he was trying to bring the truck in the garage to hold the trans up, and check him out. I don't want to give away his tech tips or anything like that, so check him out. And most recently, he's been promoting the hell out of other channels. You know, he's doing like a mail time thing and all that. So check him out. He's also got stickers that don't like to peel. Oh, here we go. Got it. I got you, Woody. Thanks, man. I'll put them up over here. These for my turbo. All right, there he is. Wooden Metal Garage. Next we got, I didn't fall over nothing. Desert Rat 2000. Let me show you here. He sent us 2 stickers. We got his original sticker, and then he just did another one here with some gears on it. So that's pretty cool. We'll put this one up. I like this one. He wrote us a little note here. So let's see what he's got to say. Hey Chaz, here are a couple of my shop stickers. Hope you can find a place for them. We got you, buddy. Sure would like to have a couple of yours. I would like to put them on my 55 truck board. So he's got a 55 Chevy truck, like canary-ish yellow, badass truck. And he's got a board similar to it, but you know, it looks like a 55 Chevy truck on the front. And he's putting stickers up on there. The funny thing is our stickers crossed in the mail because I had already sent them out, and then I got this like 2 days later, and You know what I'm saying, right? Great minds think alike. Another reason I like this gear thing for him, he's that guy that takes kind of weird, ornate stuff and makes things out of it, right? So, most recently he had a, what's that, like a ventilation little spinner thing on the top of old trucks and buildings and whatnot, for refrigerator trucks maybe or whatever. Found one of them, made a little box, did the whole thing, put all the channels on it, and he's spinning them for like a feature thing. So, promote other channels, man. Appreciate it. Put him up over here. Right around this region. All right, we got here. Next, we got P.O Box Speed Shop. We have talked about P.O Box Speed Shop before. Here's his sticker. Got his 55 gasser on it. There's a lot of guys here building 55 gassers. I'm going to tell you what, it is a hard, you don't need to figure out who your favorite one is, just love them all, right? There you go. So Rick, he did a tech tip, and then I did a tech tip to tell you guys to go watch this tech tip. And you did, and you subscribed, and I love you for it. So he sent us, this is a magnet too. There's a little magnet, we'll put it on the fridge over there. And she got us a letter here. So we got here. Working on it. All right. Chaz, I've meant to send you these stickers forever. I appreciate your comments and support in my channel. Love watching your videos. They are both entertaining and informative. Dig your bikes and your old trucks. Keep up the good work. Your friend, the Possum. He might be a little generous with the informative thing, but thanks, Rick. I appreciate it. We're going to put you over here. One of these times I'm going to remember and like pre-peel these things. There we go. There we go. All right, we got last sticker here from Morski Repair. There goes his sticker. You know I like that C10 on there, right? Might have been why I started watching his channel. But lately he's doing a lot of, he's got some nice cars, right? The C10 is one of them. But he's doing, mainly he's been doing will it runs. And when I say will it runs, this guy pulls things out of junkyards that nobody else would touch. Gets him running, gets him driving. He's up there in North Dakota, so he's battling weather on top of that. He's got a cool shop. Does a lot of lives where he promotes smaller channels, trying to get them over that hill. That's awesome, dude. And he's got like the coolest dog, right? Dog just chills the whole time. In the shop with him, it's like his best bud, and that's how can you not love Duff Dog, right? So we're gonna put him over here. Him and Puddin', they're pretty tight. They've done a couple collaborations, so I'm gonna put over here by Puddin'. Seems like the right thing to do. As you guys noticed, that was Duff Dog hanging out the window of his C10, so cool sticker on top of that guy. A couple other things here. You guys know our scrap guy, Ian, right? Never comes over here empty-handed. I tell him he doesn't have to bring nothing, but he doesn't listen. He found this at the thrift store, right? Little 55 Chevy, right? It's got 1980s written all over it. That's the little phone. It's pretty awesome. First off, same color as my brother's Road King. And, fun fact, I don't know if you knew this, probably not. 57 Chevy was my father's favorite car in the whole world. So, appreciate it, bro. I don't have a phone line, but I'm going to get one, and I'm going to give him a call on this phone. That's what I'm going to do. Probably not, man. Don't hold me to that. So, one last thing. License plate, right? I got to change this out here. I've been changing this thing out. I got this Navy one because Navy beat Army this year, so we swapped her out. This plate was on my grandfather's 1977 Le Mans. After he passed away, he left the car to my mom, who was supposed to pass to me. There was an incident, not her fault. She thinks I blamed her, but it's not her fault. And the car got wrecked. Now you guys know I have a 77 Le Mans, and that's the reason why. So my father got these tags. So he was a big personalized plate guy. So he had these tags made for that car. Obviously old New York 80s, right? So if you guys look at how the kids put a little thing up here, I did a tech tip from their garage, and he's got the other one hanging up in his garage. So this one's always been kind of hanging around. We're gonna put it on the Jeep here, on the old tailgate. So there you go. I feel that's where it belongs, you know? My dad had a bunch of XJs back in the day, got me into them. So, yeah. Hanging up in the shop all the time, Pop, you know? Actually, fun fact, not hanging up in the shop because somehow this thing is still on the chair. We've been busy, guys. You know we've been busy. Been working on, the hard body's been kicking my ass 9 ways to Sunday. But we're going to get it done, you know, and bouncing around back and forth to PA for a while, so I didn't have a lot of time to get, I'm making excuses is what I'm doing. You guys figured that out, I'm sure. I got a spot for it, I just got to hang it up, so we're going to get there. And I got a bunch, so I got to hang up, you know, the banner from Nick. Actually, Matt gave me that Harley thing there. I'd like to hang that up somewhere else. It's right there for now, so it's on display. But, you know, then the kid got me some flags I want to hang up, so we're going to get to it, all right? I'm sure, I should have had it done by now. What are you going to do, right? But that's going to do it for now. I want to make sure I say thank you to all you guys. Any of you guys that got stickers, you want to put them on the board, send them to me, all right? The kid will put the P.O Box right in this region here. We'll get them up on the what's that thing? The tailgate. Appreciate it, guys. Obviously we couldn't do this without you guys. And I'm just a clown talking into a phone, breaking half the cars I work on, right? Huge shout out to Andrew doing all this editing, listening to me ramble for hours and all the crap he puts up with. Thanks, buddy. Love you for it. I love you for all sorts of reasons, but just another one. All right, guys. Send me your stickers. Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, tell a friend. Share the videos. All that kind of stuff, all right? Thanks for watching. You guys didn't think I forgot all about our boy Chaz out there in Hawaii, right? Big shout out to B&C Performance.